Hello, it's Marilyn Devonish here from TranceFormationstm.com, and I'm very excited. I've just added a new feature to my blog, and I will also be adding it to my TranceFormationstm.com website as well. But just to give you a heads up, just so you know what you are looking for, when you go onto my site, you will see this little icon here. And if there is something flashing, it means that there has been a new announcement added since you were last on the website. For my main website, I'm going to have it at the top of the screen, and it will be saying, what's new. So this is the blogs. What you do once, if you see a little flashing, and the number in there means there's one new announcement since I was on the site. If you haven't been on for a while, it might be 4 or 5. So you simply click on that. And what happens is then you get a kind of a news feed of what's new. So I've just released a new video, 12 steps, kind of from hopelessness to hope. I'm running the Access Abundance teleseminar actually today, if you're watching this in real time. So I did an announcement about that yesterday. It puts the date up. So this one's an announcement. This one is about something new. What else we got coming up? The 2-day Huna workshop. So actually, if you're watching this in real time, the pre-launch price ends tomorrow for that. And then once I've done that, I'll consult with those people and we'll get the dates from them. And and the special offer is on this month. If you wanted to have a taster of my membership group, it's just £3 rather than 38. So that's there as well. So those are the announcements that I've put up so far. And as a viewer, as a visitor to the website, you can kind of do hopefully a smiley face. You can also send me some feedback if you wanted to do that as well. And then once you've seen what's new and what's on the news feed, you simply close it down. And it goes back to how it was, and then you can carry on reading the blog. Actually, while we're here, I'm talking about new stuff. I haven't put an announcement up for that, have I? But I've also just kind of uploaded a survey for people who have been affected by the the Me Too movement. So if you wanted to complete that, that's the link there, marilyndevonish.responsesuite.com/Q, as in questionnaire, /after Me Too. It's all completely anonymous. There is an option if you want to leave your email address, you can. But that's also the latest blog post that's up, a little bit about Mr. Harvey Weinstein and all the rest of it. But yeah, so that's what's new. So if you ever want to know what's going on in my world, what's coming up in terms of workshops, teleseminars, webinars, special offers, then go either to my Marilyn, this is what you're looking at now is www.marilyndevonish.com. That's my blog site, or the main website, www.transformationstm.com. And trance is TRANCE, as in hypnotic trance. And you will always find the information. So that's my new news for today. Catch you later. Bye.